Hi and welcome to For the Love of Organizing. I'm Laura, and in today's video I'm sharing a simple fall DIY project using wood slices and inexpensive acrylic paint. Now, if you look on Pinterest, you'll find lots of fall inspiration using wood slices. We were lucky enough to have these on hand, but you can find smaller options at most craft stores for just a few dollars. Now, as far as the color family, I knew I wanted to use a soft white and turquoise to start. I also included a soft gray and a pale orange, and just went with some older paintbrushes I had on hand. This first wood slice resembles a pumpkin shape. There's even a stalk near the top if you look closely. Now, I covered the inside with that light turquoise acrylic paint, and once dry, I outlined the grooves of a pumpkin, and then just began layering in the gray, pale orange, light turquoise, and soft white until I got the desired effect. I don't know about you, but I love a good paint session. It's so relaxing, and with a project like this one, there's no need to worry about having the perfect technique. Once dry, I simply hot glued on some fall leaves and foliage. Use what you have on hand and have fun. Most of these were Dollar Tree or Michael's. Moving on to the next pumpkin, this one's that pale orange. I added just a few drops of bright orange paint and a little yellow to a white base to create this color. Again, I drew in the lines with the gray paint, then layered on turquoise, gray, soft white, and pale orange, blending as I went. I wanted to keep things pretty muted, but feel free to go bold with your paint colors if you so desire. And for the third pumpkin, a soft white with touches of gray, turquoise, and orange. Again, lots of layers here, and I ended up softening things just a bit here at the end. I'm sharing one more before and after, and I'd love to hear which pumpkin is your favorite. So definitely leave a comment below. Is your favorite the pale orange, the light turquoise, or the soft white? I'll also be sure to link to my fall 2018 Decor tour and a few other fall DIYs below. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe. I have more fall, home, and family videos in the works. I really appreciate you, and I will link to my social media in the description bar below. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.